Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to reviewing about how to use Vivo iManager apps. It's already built-in apps which is already built-in from the very beginning of your phone. So let's check about it. Here is the option of optimize. Let's see, it makes optimization which is 96%. The security protection is low and the data traffic management is okay, and also the cleanup and accelerator is okay. Update and backup is already okay, so make it done. Then here is the option of space cleanup, so let me check about it. My phone storage is 128 GB and here is available only 42.16 GB, and here it is 279 MB. Chassis is already made, so let me clean up all. Then if you want to clean up your WhatsApp chassis, then just go there and check about all the functions of on touch cleanup, but I can only just clean 3.31 MB in this one touch cleanup, so I don't need about this. Then the second option is app cleanup, so let me check about this also. If you want to uninstall any of the apps, then you can just make them selected and just click here like uninstall, and it will be uninstalled very soon. So let me try about any of the things, like I'm going to try on this chess. So I am just simply clicking on the uninstallation button, and then again they make sure about it. I am also cleaning uninstall. Here it is uninstalling, and look, there is no chances about chess game, so I have to install it again. I don't need it now. And then if you need any of the photo cleanup, then you can go there. Then if you need any video cleanup, you can go there also. Here is the option of audio cleanup. I have 1.60 GB and 21.36 GB of video, so I have to clean up at all. So then here is the option of large files, 1.17 GB. Let me check about it. There is a files of views, like there are some files of 12 January 2021, so it is a very much long time. Let me clean about all these things. So I'm just selecting all the files. You can also do that. If you want to select all the things in just one touch up, then just select here and everything is going to be selected. Then I can delete 10 files, which is 1.02 GB, a very big files for my phone. So let me clean this up, and here it is. They remove this very soon. There are only 147 MB. Then some duplicate files, but this is only about 11.59 MB, so it's not so long. So let me get out from here. Then there is the option of app manager. You can update here with a very simple touch up. Then you can uninstall from here, just one touch. Also some other options,